Hey everyone, my name is Devin DeMint. I'm a Wellbeing Ambassador here at Campus Recreation and Wellness. So this is the episode of Munchie Monday. Today we are going to be making sweet potato chips. For our ingredients we have 2 sweet potatoes, everything bagel seasoning, and olive oil. For starters, we got our sweet potato, and we've already washed our hands and washed the sweet potato offset, and we have already pre-peeled it and cut off our butt. So now what we're going to do is cut the sweet potato into thin slices, 1/4 inch thick. Sweet potatoes are very good to replace empty calorie snacks. Now that we got our sweet potatoes all sliced up and put into our mixing bowl, now we're going to add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. All right, and once you got that added in, you want to mix the potato chips around. Get everything nicely coated. All right, and then once all the chips are nicely coated, we're going to align them on our baking sheet. Try to get everything as thin as possible so we can get an even coating. All right, now that we got our potato chips spread out over our cooking sheet, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of everything bagel seasoning. All right, now that we got our bagel seasoning on our potato chips, we're gonna put them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes and flip them halfway through baking. All right, now that we just took our potato chips out of the oven for 20 minutes, they are now good to go and ready to eat.